I'm going to do an example of finding a limit numerically using our calculator the way that we did it in class, just in case anybody doesn't remember the key presses, etc. So the function that I'm going to work with is the limit as x approaches 0 of sine x over x. I believe that was in our PowerPoint presentation. So in order to do this, I'm going to go to y equals and sine of x, close parentheses, divided by x. Then enter, and my function is stored there now. I can go over to look at the graph of it if I wanted to, and I believe that in this graph let's see what I'm set at here. I can zoom standard, which I usually do, and then I'm going to zoom trig. And so remember that my tick marks are now set at pi over 2 units apart from each other there. Okay, so I have my graph there, and it appears we did see before that as x approaches 0, the function values are apparently heading for 1. But let's see how we would demonstrate this using the table. Alright, so I'm going to go up to table set, second table set, and I have to make sure that my independent is set to ask. If it weren't, I could just go over there, move over to ask, hit enter. That should be set to ask, and then I'm going to go up to table. Alright, so now I'm ready to go with this. I want to approach from the left hand side, so I'm going to start at negative 0.1, and I get 0.9983. Then I'm going to try negative 0.01 and negative 0.001. Oh, I made a mistake there. I'm going to go back up. Let's see what I have there. Negative 0.001, and it's showing me 1. Now remember, when it says 1, it's not actually 1 there, but it's 0.999998333, etc. So I'm going to go back down and type in one more to make sure that we're settling in on that number 1, negative 0.1, 2, 3 zeros and a 1, and enter, and you can see that I am definitely getting stuck there at 1. As I keep doing this, my 9s, my 0.9999 will keep increasing. Okay? Alright, so I'm definitely approaching 1 as I move in from the left. And I could keep doing that. I'm not going to do that for the sake of this demonstration. You could do it negative 1 times 10 to the negative 5th power. And you could keep going like that. Okay, I'm going to start doing positive values. We're going to approach from the right. And so this time we're going to start off at 0.1 and then 0.01. So we're zooming in orders of 10. 0.001 and finally 0.0001, and again we're heading for 1. It's not really 1, but it's 0.9999, etc. Okay, so hopefully that helps, and if anybody still doesn't get that, then you can ask more about that later.